So now that you have recorded your reflection video about how you might implement WeVideo into your learning environment, now let's go ahead and take a look at how to create a WeVideo account, and we're also going to look at the dashboard. So start by typing WeVideo.com into your browser, and you will show up at their homepage. On their homepage, there's a few different options that you can kind of check out and explore. The Explore section is where I directed you in the Read subsection of this unit to learn about how educators are using it in the classroom, but you can also look at how sports enthusiasts or entertainers or students, marketers, videographers, etc. are utilizing WeVideo. You can also go to the Inspire section, and there are some examples of some edits that have been created with WeVideo. This also includes some real basic video tutorials as well, which I have found they do a really good job of going through the kind of giving you a real basic overview of the possibilities or the capabilities of the software. They don't really tell you how it all happens, so hopefully you'll learn a little bit from this video tutorial. Prices and plans. So the WeVideo does offer a free option. You get 1 GB of storage, and you can edit at 360 pixels of resolution. You get 15 exports per month. You can export to Facebook, YouTube, Vimeo, and Twitter, and you can get up to 5 invites per project, which is pretty good. And you also get 390 licensed music titles. So I mean, this is honestly a great option for, say, doing photo story type video edits in a classroom where you have groups of less than 5 students all trying to work on one project at once. If you feel like you are going to be shooting a lot more video than that, you might have to consider upgrading to a Plus or an Ultra account, and you can see the prices and the features for each of those. The only thing that you can't do on a free account that you have to have a Plus or an Ultra account is download. That is maybe the one downside of the free account, is you can't actually download anything back to your own computer. You have to export to Facebook, YouTube, Vimeo, or Twitter. And so if local downloads are important, you might be wanting to ante up $6.99 a month. So once you have determined, we're just going to go ahead and look what it's like to sign up for a free account. You can log in with Facebook or Google if you don't have, or Yahoo, and if you don't have any of those, just go ahead and type in your first name, last name, a username for WeVideo, and set a password. I've already created my own account, so we're just going to click into that and take a look at the dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll be presented with what WeVideo calls their dashboard. This is basically an area where you can organize your project folders, projects within those folders. You can upload media to particular projects, and you can invite collaborators to those projects as well. It's also where you will see any exports that you've created out of those projects. You'll notice across the top we've got 3 tabs: projects, media files, and accounts. And we'll go through each of those different tabs right now. The Projects tab is basically where you organize all of your project folders, or project folders and projects within all of those. You'll notice that you have a Create New Folder. So let's say I want to create a new folder for this lesson. We'll call it WeVideo Lesson. And I'll hit OK. And now I've got a folder there that I can open up, and then inside that folder I'll go ahead and create a new project. Call it WeVideo Lesson Project. And we'll hit OK. It'll take a second, but then it'll pop up. Once you have created a project, you have 4 options over here on the right side of the screen, you have project videos. This is where you can click to create a new video and it'll take you into the editing interface. You've got your project media files, and currently I have no media files associated with this project. I've got my project export, so I also haven't exported any edits out of this project, so there's nothing there yet. And then down at the bottom you'll notice that there is a project members, and currently it's only me, but you do have an option to invite others to have access to this project, both for uploading media to and editing on. And we'll show you more about that in the next video. So let's go ahead and move on to the second tab. We've got the Media Files tab. This is where you can go ahead and upload media that you know that you want to have for your general editing purposes. Any media that you upload into the Media Files tab will be available for all of your personal edits. And will show up in a private videos tab once you're in the editing interface. And then finally the account setting. And this is where you can adjust any type of information that you want on your user account. Make sure your name's all correct, where your email is associated to. You can add a photo. And when you first sign up, there will be a warning right around here telling you whether or not you have verified your email address. It actually asks you to verify your email address before it will allow you to either export videos or download videos. So be sure to verify your email address so you can get those capabilities. So that concludes our overview of the WeVideo Dashboard interface. Check out video number 3, where we'll talk about both uploading media to projects and inviting collaborators to your projects. And then check out video number 4, where we will actually check out the WeVideo editor and do some instruction on basic video editing techniques and adding things like titles, graphics, and exporting to your social media outlet of choice. See you then.